For a second day today, Americans will pay their respects to Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, lying in repose outside the Supreme Court. Thousands stood in line yesterday, a slow and somber procession against a backdrop of rapid activity over Ginsburg's replacement. The president plans to announce his nominee, he says, on Saturday. As Jan Crawford reports, he's pushing the Senate to act very fast.
I think the system is going to go very quickly.
President Trump, who on Wednesday could not commit to a peaceful transition of power if he loses, said it's better if his Supreme Court nominee is confirmed before the election.
Just in case it would be more political than it should be, I think it's very important to have a ninth justice.
As the president weighs his options this week, the leading contender to replace Justice Ginsburg is Judge Amy Coney Barrett. She's a favorite of the D.C. Republican establishment, which is lined up to push her nomination. In 2016, following the death of Justice Antonin Scalia, Barrett told CBSN she did not think there's a clear rule for either side in the debate over replacing Supreme Court justices during an election year.
It shouldn't be a surprise that the Senate is willing to push a president's nominees through in an election year when they share the same political affiliation.
On Wednesday, Justice Ginsburg arrived at the Supreme Court for the last time. Inside the Great Hall, a private ceremony for the 8 justices, her family, and her friends.
It has been said that Ruth wanted to be an opera virtuoso, but became a rock star instead.
Chief Justice John Roberts spoke with affection as he honored Ginsburg.
Among the words that best describe Ruth, tough, brave, a fighter, a winner, but also thoughtful, careful, compassionate, honest.
Outside, mourners, including Senators, the Clintons, and Vice President Mike Pence, paid their respects, as well as thousands of Americans lining up to say goodbye to a hero.
Of course, she will live on in what she did to improve the law and the lives of all of us.
Now, Justice Ginsburg will lie here in repose until later tonight while the public continues to pay its respects. President Trump is going to stop by at some point later this morning to pay respects of his own. Gail?
It's a very touching day yesterday. Thank you very much, Jan.